Hi, let me introduce the new E4 temperature thermostat along with its dedicated wiring center. The E4 thermostat is reliable because it uses a wired connection. It works perfectly well in offline mode. Once the schedule is set up and configured, it continues to operate flawlessly and reliably regardless of the current condition or status of the home network. It's an ideal solution for people who value stability for older users and for rental properties where simplicity and reliability are key. Modern homes are increasingly equipped with systems capable not only of heating in winter, but also cooling in summer, for example using heat pumps. E4 is fully prepared for this. The thermostat has been designed to minimize installation time. Its surface-mounted construction eliminates the need for cutting into walls for flush-mounted boxes. For installers, this guarantees quick installation and trouble-free configuration. It's also an exceptionally great choice for discerning, informed customers who genuinely do not require complex app-based control. To sum up, the E4 is a truly professional, incredibly solid device that simply does its essential job quietly, consistently, reliably, and precisely for many, many years to come.